This week we launched the much anticipated COVID screener. This is a module to assist the schools in tracking the child's symptoms on a daily basis. So you can log in either as the administrator or as a teacher. Click on the administration link in the left-hand side menu and click on COVID screener. This will pull through every child in the school, and you may have a few hundred children. So what we recommend is that you would just do a search for the child at the top. So this pulls through Susie. She's 6 years old. Her parents' contact details, and we see that she's got an allergy of nuts. We then click on the Add COVID report, and you'd ask the child how they're feeling. This child may say she's feeling very sick and that she's got a fever and a cough. You've got the ability to record her temperature. These two are optional. If you do allow the child in the school, you'd mark them as present, and then you click on Upload Report. So it takes a few seconds per child. That child did show symptoms, so you get a warning banner saying that the school administrator has been notified automatically, and you have the ability through to SMS or email the parent of that child. Each child has a report. So instead of having hordes of paper, you can literally click on a report, and you can see on a daily basis the symptoms, the temperature checks for that child. Say for example for today, you wanted to do a separate temperature reading at midday or the afternoon. The system does allow you to take multiple readings throughout a day. I hope that's useful. Please email support@childcloud.co.za.